Did you know Windows can upload update files to other PCs in the background? Most people never realize the settings turn on by default. In less than a minute, I'll show you what does it do, who should leave it on, and why most home users can safely turn it off. If you've ever wondered why your internet feels slower during Windows updates, or why PC seems to be using bandwidth even when you are not actively downloading anything, this settings might be the part of this reason. It's called delivery optimization, and while it's useful in some situations, it ain't necessary for everyone. Let's take a look. You just open setting by pressing Windows I. On the left, select the Windows Update. Then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Delivery Optimization options. Open it. Here is what this feature actually does. When enabled, Windows can download update files not only from Microsoft servers but also from other Windows PCs. Depending on your settings, your computer can also upload pairs of those updates to other devices. Think of it as a peer-to-peer delivery system. For business or schools with dozens of computers on the same network, this can reduce internet uses because the devices share update files locally instead of downloading the same files over and over. But for someone using a single PC at home, the benefits are usually much smaller. If you have one or two Windows PCs at home and you are not trying to share update across your local network, turning this off is perfectly reasonable. Disabling it means your PC will simply download updates directly from Microsoft server. It also prevents Windows from uploading update data in the background to other devices. If you're on a limited internet connections or just prefer to reduce unnecessary background network activity, this setting is worth checking. At the top, you will see a lot of downloads from other devices. If you don't need delivery optimization, switch it off. That's it. It only takes a sec. After changing the settings, head back to your main Windows Update page. Click Check for Update. This confirms your PC is still downloading updates normally from Microsoft's official servers. If updates are available, install them as usual. Disabling delivery optimization doesn't stop Windows Update from working. It only changes how updates files are delivered. Should everyone turn it off? Not necessarily. If you manage multiple Windows computers in your home or office, especially on the same local network, delivery optimization can actually help reduce duplicate downloads. But if you mostly use a single PC, many people simply don't need it. The important thing is understanding what the setting does, so you can decide what's best for your setup. Small Windows settings like this can make a difference depending on how you use a PC. If you enjoy practical Windows tips and Microsoft updates without jargon, subscribe to Sektor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.